Hello, welcome to the pet room. David Bradley here. Here is the pet that I just moved into position. And as you will be able to see in a moment, when I turn it on, the screen, oh, well, it's a little different now. Oh, now it's back to just being big and bright and clear. It is indeed. So, oh, I know what I meant to do. Hang on. No, like I said, at this moment, it's not responsive. Okay, so we open it up. And, oh man, the leg is stuck. That's not good. And it's very hard. Oh, you really need 3 hands. Really need 3 hands. All right, what can I do now? Aha. I can take this little wee screwdriver and I stick it in here and give it, I think, it's tough to get in here. Try it ever so gently. Okay, and now the leg comes open. It does. So now, let's have a look-see. I can. Now where did I put the bright light? Did I leave it in here? I don't know. It's possible, but I don't think I left it in the blue bezel pit. I did not. Well, I suppose, well, that's distressing. I will find it. That's what I can do is turn on the light in here. Maybe. Oh, there it's on. And I can look inside and see that indeed we have 6550 RAM chips. The ROMs are the originals. They are. So they're the basic 1 ROMs, I think. They are. One of them is almost impossible to read. I'm just checking the configuration of all the chips, and they seem to be okay. They do. That is comforting. But of course, the machine is not working. All right. Well, okay. As careful. I'm going to shuffle this over just a little wee bit and push it back just a little wee bit. And now this machine should come on. I think it's still plugged in. Indeed it does, and indeed it is. All right. All right. Are these things going to hit? Probably so. Not what we have in mind. And this one, I seem to remember, yeah, this thing doesn't like to stay in position. So I'm going to set it down there. Now, you know what? I really, oh dear. I could really use that light about now. just going to look and see. Dear me. If I did set it over here in the midst of my shuffling of things, and the answer is yes. There it is. Okay. All right. So, that's a preliminary test. There we are. I'm going to yank a screen RAM chip very delicately out of here. I've probably only been in there about 45 years. Whoa, and it is not wanting to come out. Oh, great. Come on. Don't give me a hard time. Okay. It's out. It looks okay. The pins look all right, but it took a little doing. So now, I'll take this light over here. Now, I'm going to be very careful not to mix up these chips. I'm going to take out the screen RAM chip. I'm going to set it over here. And then I'm going to take this screen RAM chip and put it in to this socket. That is the plan. These are the very unforgiving sockets. But we're in. And we'll turn this on. And it comes up okay. Well, that's a good sign. Now, I don't normally do this. I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to yank the other screen RAM chip from the same machine. Gently, carefully, with great reverence. I'm going to look at the pins. Maybe a little bend on the end. Maybe just a tweak. And what I'm going to do now is not something I normally do. But I'm going to do it. Ugh. I'm going to take the other screen RAM chip out and put this one in there to see if the two of them together are happy working together. I'm also going to set the screen RAM chips down in the proper configuration from which they came out. So everything looks good from what I can see. Okay, line it up. Line it up. Are we in? It feels like we're in. We're going to turn it on. Okay. So it comes up all right. Well, that is comforting, I think. All right. So I'll take that out. Take that out. And set them in their configuration and put these two back in their configuration. Here's the plan. All right, good. Witness mark is good. Witness mark is good. Turn it on. And it still works. Okay, so now, doing a similar thing. Maybe I can get this one to stick there. Maybe this will work. I will put these chips back into the original machine from whence they came in the proper configuration, lining up all the... It's funny, sometimes, as you will know, when you get reading glasses, sometimes focal length is all important. I think I've got some that are a little too strong. Okay, that one's in. Line it up. These are more forgiving sockets, I believe, but it doesn't mean it's going to go perfectly well. Come on. Come on. Okay. Now, we're in. And I'm imagining that this will probably end up looking exactly the same as it did. Yeah, it's mostly a full screen of crud, which may change. Yes, it did. It changed to a full screen of nothing. Okay, so we've not changed much of anything. We've got the power off. Okay. Well, interesting. Very interesting. One thing I'm curious about, because I am curious, way over here somewhere. Excuse me. I had another pet board. Oh, it's over here. All right, and this one is working, except it's missing two chips. One thing I want to do, if I can, I probably shouldn't have taken these glasses off. I'm going to set that gently down there. Don't you dare fall. Oh. All right. Here's what am I going to do. I'm going to look at the ROM chips as best as I am able and see if they seem to be in the right place. You know what? They're all kind of dusty here. Because you would think they'd be kind of numbered in like a consecutive way. They're not. Okay, so we have 13, and in here we have, oh my, it looks like 18, but it could be 13. Let's check next to it. What do we have there? Okay, we have 14, and that one is 14, and next to that we have 12, and that's a 12. This one is going to be really hard to see unless it's 16, and it is really, it's pretty much worn away, so I'm going to give up on that. The next one is 15. It is. The next one is, did it say 13? Did say 13. Maybe the one at the end. Maybe it says 18. It really is. What is this thing? Does that say 019? I think, okay, it may be that they're in the correct configuration. It might be. Well, that is encouraging, because it would be horrible if they get mixed up. You're doomed. Doomed, doomed, doomed. All right. Oh my. Oh. I think that's all I'm going to do right now. I'm going to turn this off. Oh. So it's off. This one is off. And I will ponder my next move. I shall. Indeed. I shall. So, thanks for coming to the pet room. David Bradley. Signing off for now as we explore this lovely, vintage, still with the original box, 8K dataset Chiclet pet. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.